The February 14th, 2018 attack on Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School at Parkland, Florida, was an evil act committed by a troubled young man. He will account for what he has done in the court of law. But today, we will also call the government to account for its role or absence of role in this tragedy.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
So help you God.
There's a difference between an assault rifle and a handgun.
This Congress cannot continue to do nothing.
There are things we agree on. We should pass those things. There are things we should disagree on. I hope we'll debate them. Perhaps we can find common ground on those as well. But we should first act on the things we can agree on and take action so this never happens again.
There was a catastrophic failure at every single level that occurred here, which made this shooting possible, and we have to find a way to plug those holes.
We have seen a catastrophic and systemic failure of law enforcement.
We made mistakes here, no question about that. That said, even had we done everything right, I'm not sure if we could have stopped this act.
Common sense suggestion to change the law to put authority in the hands of the FBI and others so that they can stop someone who has threatened to commit a mass shooting. The laws in this country are not clear on the subject, and they should be crystal clear.
Time matters. Getting accurate information can develop a critical lead. So anything that can enhance that is beneficial for public safety. A law is clearly the best route.
Anytime we have silos of information, I think it's dangerous. You need a holistic approach to try to find the best solution we can within the law.
Identification and interdiction has become my mission. Not one that I ever wanted, but one I accept in Elena's name. And I will see it through. Ultimately, the solution is not in any single policy, not in any piece of legislation, and not in any activist fervent prescription. It is in our hearts.
You know, we do need more funding. We do need more communication between law enforcement and the different agencies of law enforcement, local, federal, also between technology companies, things like that. We have all of these resources. They're just not quite making the connections between them, and we need to figure out how we do that. And I think that until we take these guns away, there's really no way that we can completely prevent these things from happening, unfortunately.